In this segment, we're going to take a look at the Select tool. And again, this tool has a small triangle which says if I click and hold, there'll be a tool options group. And so in this case, I have the rectangle selection or the lasso selection. And we can look at both. I'll start with the rectangle selection and show, first of all, when I have the Select tool turned on, if I hover over top of something that's already been created, like a shape, it will highlight. And if I hover over it and then click down with my left mouse click, it will select it. And I can tell this is selected because it has a selection box that's surrounding it, and I could use that to transform this object if I wanted to. And I can change what's selected by just clicking on something else. So whatever I click on is what gets selected. If I click and drag to create a box, a rectangle selection, whatever is fully included in that rectangle is what gets selected. So I can select all three of these shapes in one selection box. Now, if I want to unselect or let go, I can just simply click on an empty space, and that will deselect what's already been selected, and I could start again. So that's the rectangle selection. Now, when you change to lasso selection, now you need to draw around the shape that you want to select. So if I wanted to get, these three, I could go around those ones and collect sort of the specific ones I want. And so that's why you have the lasso selection tool, so that you can pick, kind of draw around shapes, I guess. Otherwise, you have your rectangle selection, which you can easily just click to select or click and drag to select.